It's looking really hot over the next couple of days, but we do have some good news in the forecast here
I like
eventually.
that.
Yes. Nothing like hail, nothing like that at all. But today it's just going to be hot. One silver lining is we haven't. Okay, guys, let's go to links 2. Let's go to links 2, guys. We did not hit 100 degrees yet this year. There we go. Okay. And now I'm okay. Things are good. We have not hit 100 degrees yet in Oklahoma City, but we have had that several times in western Oklahoma. In fact, we've had 18 days in Altus where we at least hit 100 degrees. It's warm out there right now. The Star Regency camera up on our Pike Pass Skycam network. Lots of sunshine. 86 degrees. The south wind at 11. The dew point's at 70. It feels more like 91 degrees because of that. Temperatures range from the low 80s in the northeast to the low to mid 90s in the northwest. Also some middle 90s in southwest Oklahoma with a south wind between about 15 to 25 miles an hour, but we've had gusts as high as around 35 or so out in the panhandle. The problem is it's going to be another humid day. We've already got dew points right around 70 degrees really across much of the state. So there is that heat index. It already feels more like the upper 90s in the northwest, kind of the same thing in southwest Oklahoma, and more so the mid and upper 80s across the far east. So over the next several days, I do actually expect those dew points to slowly come down. It's going to be a very gradual process. We're still going to be in that sticky category, but that cool front will be moving in this weekend. It looks like sometime late in the day on Saturday. So for Sunday, it's going to feel completely different. We do have at least some relief on the way. And just kind of looking at the big picture, we've got the main jet stream well to the north. This picture really hasn't changed a whole lot over the past several days. We've got the heat dome in place, and around it we get these chances of rain and storms. And there is still a chance of maybe a couple of showers and storms in the panhandle for later on this evening and into tonight. But that's pretty much it. The rest of us will be staying dry as usual. Warm and dry. In fact, by the end of the week, it looks very hot with temperatures climbing to about 100 degrees. Same thing as we get into Saturday. But finally, late in the day Saturday, here comes this cold front, and behind it, it does look a lot less hot. Temperatures dropping down into the 80s. So relatively speaking, that's pretty good. And that's going to stick around for a couple of days at least until eventually it does look like the ridge is going to come back and we're going to start to warm things back up as we get farther along into summer. So today, looking for a high of about 93 degrees in Oklahoma City, 97 in Alva, 97 in Ponca City, and 97 this afternoon in Altus. And then overnight tonight, under clear skies, temperatures drop back down into the low 70s here in Oklahoma City, about 79 in Alva, 77 in Hobart, 77 tomorrow morning in Altus. Tomorrow afternoon, just a little bit warmer now, 94 degrees in Oklahoma City, 98 in Ponca City, 101 in Alva, 97 all around southwest Oklahoma. Tomorrow evening, we're going to add that slight chance of rain and storms in the panhandle, maybe as far east as far northwest Oklahoma. Chances are a lot more likely that we're going to be staying dry, though. Wednesday afternoon, a little hotter, 95 degrees in Oklahoma City, 97 in Ponca City, 97 in Hobart, and 98 degrees in Altus. Here's the thing. By Wednesday afternoon and evening, it does look like there will be a chance of storms in Kansas, but it could come at least far enough south that we're at least going to add a slight chance of rain and storms all along the Kansas and Oklahoma border. And then after that, it just looks plain hot and dry here for a while. Now, by Friday, we're getting pretty close to 100 degrees. Right now, I'm going with 99. Those overnight lows warming up as well. Saturday, out ahead of that cold front, I do expect us to reach about 100 degrees even here in Oklahoma City. That cold front's going to come through. It's not going to be cold by any means, but that's a huge difference going from 100 degrees to 85 degrees on Monday, to 84 or 85 on Sunday, and 84 on Monday. So cooling down for a couple of days. Looks like we're going to be staying in the 80s on Tuesday, but it looks like also temperatures start to go up a little bit more after that.